Hi everyone, my name is Mac, and this handsome boy is Hiccup. He's my 6-year-old, 13-pound Norwegian forest cat. This breed has been referenced in Scandinavian myth as the Skogkatt. They appear as a large, long-haired, mountain-dwelling fairy cat who has the ability to climb sheer rock faces. I was able to discern his breed, although he's almost certainly a mix, by his decorated triangular ears, tufted toe beans, floofy tail, triangular face, semi-long hair, and dense undercoat. Although his ancestors may have drawn Freya's chariot and crewed Viking ships as mousers, Hiccup is a bit of a fraidy cat. He's easily startled and doesn't like change. He likes to hang out here, 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 and here. He'll also sit on any item that's not the ground. Grocery bags, clothes, backpacks, rocks. It doesn't matter how comfortable, he'll choose that over the floor. But he is a great mouser. Most trusted ancient texts indicate he's a tiny, unaligned beast with a decent claw attack. This is true enough, although I am still waiting for the boon to my sneak attacks to kick in. Once in the morning and once in the evening, Hiccup will eat about a half an ounce of the Hill's Science Diet Adult Sensitive Stomach and Skin chicken and vegetable entree wet food mixed with 1 ounce of Blue Wilderness adult wet food. Usually we use the chicken recipe, but here we have the duck. We mix these foods for his palatability, cost reduction, and my own peace of mind. Between these 2 meals, he'll snack on his daily quarter cup of dry Hill's Science Diet Adult Sensitive Stomach and Skin chicken recipe. Altogether, Hiccup eats about 252 kcals per day. If I were trying to maintain his current weight, I might aim to feed him 299 to 390 kcals per day, but Hiccup has gained a bit of weight in the past few months after his dental surgery in January. Hiccup was born with naturally bad teeth, and despite attempts to keep them clean through brushing, he wound up having 8 removed in early January this year. As you can see, that included 2 molars and 6 premolars removed. Initially, he wouldn't eat anything. Then he became quite ill from the antibiotics he had been on, and then he would only eat solid foods, despite having been accustomed to a primarily wet food diet. He's slowly gravitating back to his wet food preference, which should help to manage his weight going forward. And as you can see here, Hiccup has 24/7 access to flowing filtered water. I make sure to clean the bowl once per week and to replace the filter inside once per month. I never understood why it was common belief that cats were bitter or resentful or otherwise intrinsically cruel creatures. As with most pets, the love and care you put into a cat's life is the love and care you'll get out. People with aggressive or spiteful cats need look no farther for an explanation than their own behavior or the behavior of the individual who betrayed that cat's trust. Ernest Hemingway said it best: "A cat has absolute emotional honesty. Human beings, for one reason or another, may hide their feelings, but a cat does not."